I'm going to show you how easy it is to use your money twice using Stack. Here's an example of how I used $35 twice. It all starts out on Coinbase wallet. First, what we're going to do is we're going to start off buying USDC on the Polygon network. First, you press buy, then you press USDC. I'm going to do this with very little money. $39, preview buy. You need to select Polygon. Press confirm. You are going to need some Polygon Matic in your wallet. I'm going to bring some from my other wallet. I'm going to copy it. I have some in my Coinbase already. Do this all the time. So here, I'm going to send to my Coinbase wallet $2 of Matic preview in the Polygon network. Send $2. Okay, then when you have some Matic, so now we got $2 of Matic and $39 of USDC. Next, we're going to go to browser, go to app.stackit.ai. Okay, so we're going to do this with $39. We're going to send ourselves back $25 and we're going to invest 10 more as a buffer. So we're really going to deposit $35, but we're going to invest $32. We just used $35 twice. We're going to borrow $25 off of the $35 and we're going to invest $32. Now you go to Coinbase and you find your USDC wallet. Press your USDC wallet, copy the address. Understand. You copy this wallet address. Even if you don't see this Polygon as an option, you still can do it. So now I paste the address. I hit terms and conditions, and now I'm going to start stacking. One thing is you got to make sure you're on the Polygon network. So I'm going to press this up here and choose the Polygon network. Now I'm on the Polygon network and I'm going to start stacking. 5-cent fee to start. I'm going to confirm that. Got another fee. Confirm that. Sign this to make sure you're not a robot. Now we're going to deposit the money. Make sure you're not a robot. Now another 8 cents. If you have any questions, you could always click here and ask. Another 17 cents. This is just setting up the automations in your wallet. And now we deposited $34. We deposited the $35. It's already invested $8 for us. We got $26 still in USDC here. We got a $25 loan. And we're going to go back to Coinbase. And you're going to see that it's receiving that $25 right now. So again, that quickly, with 35, I'm investing 33. And I'm using 25. This works with any amount of money. You can do this with $250. You can do this with $2,500. You can do this with $25,000. I have people doing this with all kinds of money. You can do it this easy. Join Stack today.